Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a private YouTube video. YouTube is a great service for sharing your videos with the world. However, it is also a great way of sharing videos with friends and family, for their eyes only. Start with step 1 to find out how to make your video private. First, log into your YouTube account. Go to the sidebar on YouTube. You will see all the people you subscribe to and your library of playlists. Go to the top of the list and just under home, click my channel. Go to your channel. You will see your uploaded video just above your channel art and your profile picture if you have any of those. You will see your number of subscribers and your number of views overall. And then next to that, the third option will be Video Manager, or click Video. Find yourself in your Creator Studio on the sidebar where it is now your Creator Studio. Click the video button there just under Dashboard and you will see two options under Video Manager, which is Videos and Playlists. Make sure you are on Videos. Find the video you want to make private. Then, look along the top of the video. On the right side, you'll see a blue globe icon which stands for Public. Click on it. Scroll down and below the video, you will see a button that says Public. Click on Public and you will get a drop-down list of options. And the three options are Public, Unlisted, and Private. Click on Private. Go to the top and save it. Now, your video is now private. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.